Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam, peace be upon us all. Good morning everyone. On this occasion, my teammates and I from group 4 will present material on the topic the genres of poetry. Before we begin our discussion, allow me to introduce the members of our group.
First one, my name is Rizky Aditya Putra.
My name is Ayu Aprilia Salsabila as a moderator.
My name is Siti Safika.
My name is Nabila. My name is Hasnawati.
My name is Nadia Paradiba.
And the topic we will discuss today covers several main points, namely epic poetry, lyric poetry, dramatic poetry, narrative poetry, satirical poetry, elegy, ode, ballads, and sonnet. After the presentation, there will be a discussion or Q&A session. Therefore, we kindly invite everyone to prepare any questions or comments related to the topic. Now, to begin the presentation, the first material will be presented by my colleague, Rizky Aditya Putra.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Okay, now I will be present about my material is epic poetry and lyric poetry. The first one, the epic poetry. Epic poetry, you must be know what is the epic poetry. Epic poetry like a story about hero. Jadi kayak sebuah cerita yang menceritakan tentang kepahlawanan. Nah, dan selanjutnya itu lyric poetry. Lyric poetry itu sebuah cerita yang langsung dari pengalaman penulis dengan menggunakan bahasa yang indah atau bermakna. Oke, mungkin itu saja. Terima kasih.
Okay, now to my sister Hasna, time is yours.
Okay, my name is Hasnawati. Now I will explain about dramatic poetry. Dramatic poetry is written is the form of a dialogue between characters, similar to a play. It presents a situation or conflict through the characters' voices. An example of this genre is Smileless Duchess by Robert Browning. And narrative poetry. Narrative poetry tells a story with characters, plot, and setting, but in poetic form. It often combines the elements of fiction and the rhythm of poetry. A good example is The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe. Okay, that's from me, and I give to moderator.
To Nadia Paradiba, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I will explain about satirical poetry. Satirical poetry uses humor, irony, or exaggeration to criticize human behavior or social issue. Its main purpose is to provoke reflection and sometimes laughter. One famous satirical poet is Alexander Pope. Okay, thank you. That's all for me. Thank you, moderator.
And now to Nabila, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Next, elegy. Elegy is a poem that expresses sorrow or mourning, usually for someone who has died. It has a melancholic tone and often reflect on life and loss. An example is Lycidas by John Milton. Next, ode. Ode is a formal poem that praises a person, an object, or an event. It celebrates beauty, greatness, or deep emotion through elevated language. For in-text, Ode to a Nightingale by John Keats. Thank you.
And now I will explain about ode. An ode is a formal poem that praises a person, an object, or an event. It celebrates beauty, greatness, or deep emotions. Through elevated language, for instance, Ode to a Nightingale by John Keats. And now for my sister, Siti Safika, time is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. I'm explaining about sonnet. A sonnet is a short poem consisting of 14 lines with a specific rhyme scheme. It often explores themes such as of love, beauty, time, and mortality. One of the most famous sonnet is Sonnet 18 by William Shakespeare, beginning with the line, "Shall I compare thee to a summer's day?" Thank you, that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, I think that's all from my group, the genres of poetry. We hope today presentation has been meaningful and beneficial. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Santi Om, nama budaya. Thank you so much.
Thank you.